ঠিক আছে ZAT 2024 the least common multiple of a number and 990 is 6930 okay least that means LCM so LCM of a number and 990 is 6930 now see what do we get from this first statement if I divide so that means 6930 is divisible by 990 that is what it means 6930 is divisible by 990 so let me divide 6930 by 990 okay if I divide that I'll get 7 right I'll get 7 so that means what the other number which is there is also divisible by 7 right you take for example okay for example you tell me any two numbers say 20 and 24 right 20 and 24 now what is the LCM of these two number 24 5s are 120 right so LCM of 20 and 24 is 120 right now you divide 120 by 24 what you're going to get 5 you see 20 is also divisible by 5 yes or no right
Yes, sir.
20 is divisible by 5 so that means I can tell one thing that if that the number by which 990 divides 6930 or the quotient that you will get on dividing 6930 by 990 that same quotient will divide the other number as well so I can tell that the other number is 7k right 7 times of any number where k is any integer k is any natural number it can be 7k right now it is given that the GCD of
Yes,
that
sir.
number and 550 the GCD of that number and 550 is 110 that means what 550 and this number 7k is divisible by 110 okay so GCD of 550 is 110 that means uh, that 7k and 550 is divisible GCD of 550 is 110 that means 7k and 550 is divisible by 110 right so if that is the case তাহলে দেখো 7k is that means divisible by 110 তাই তো 7k is divisible by 110 because it is given that the GCD of that number and 550 is 110 so that means 110 divides
Yes, sir.
550 and 7k now it is given what is the sum of the digits of the least possible value of the number so tell me what can be the least value of this what can be the least value of k such that this is divisible by 110 so k has to be the least value of k that can be there
70.
কি বলছো কি বললে কে এটা 70 বলছো
70.
কে এটা 70 হলে তো 490 by 110 হবে কি করে ডিভিজিবল
হ্যাঁ
the least value of k that will make 7k divided by 110 সেটা k টা কি হতে হবে k টা 110 হতে হবে right if k is 110 then only you see this is divisible by 100 I mean this can be the minimum value because 110 কোথা দিয়ে start হচ্ছে 110 ones are 110 110 twos are 220 right so if I make k as 110 then I'm going to
হ্যাঁ
get the minimum value you take any other value of k you will see that the number is not divisible by 110 right because see 110 is a multiple of 10 so if any number which is multiplied with 100 should give it a multiple of 10 you take k 1 2 3 4 5 6 anything you take okay you will not get I mean a multiple a number which is 0 at the last and it is divisible by 110 so k has to be 110 then only this will become 770 by 110 which is 7 right which is 7 so that means the least possible value that is possible is 770 and the sum of it is 7 plus 7 plus 0 is 14